Hey folks, this is Adam, and today we're going to talk about gaming. You know that I like gaming as much as the next guy, but I've had a real issue lately. Ever since we added on to the studio, the Wi-Fi coverage isn't what it used to be. I'm having lag in my games, my 5 and my 2G networks are just not what they should be. So that's why I called up the good folks at NetDyn, and they got me this. This extends my Wi-Fi network like you wouldn't believe. It's absolutely amazing. You can just plug it into the side of your regular system and the side of your desktop, and look at this. Absolutely amazing. You can put it as a port on the side, or you can just plug it directly into your system, and all of a sudden your Wi-Fi coverage is through the roof. This thing is absolutely super powerful. I'll put all the tech specs on the screen. Let's do a side by side and I will show you the actual speed that I'm getting way out from my Wi-Fi router, where I normally wouldn't get any coverage with my Dell laptop. With my Alienware laptop, nothing. But I connect this and all of a sudden I'm getting the best Wi-Fi coverage on the planet. So you're gonna want to check it out. You're gonna want to pick one up for yourself. Go ahead and click the link. You're gonna want to purchase this for sure. It's absolutely amazing. Trust NetDyn. They're an amazing company. And when you want that full experience, that gaming experience, you're gonna want this.